kind of already sent half my packs. Almost done my first Matty flip as well, which I'm pretty hyped about. Just packing up, and I'm going to go find like a set of goalposts or something just to see if I deserve this Matty flip.